Yo, this is Eroy and this is... Bro, speak, what's wrong with you?
Oh shit, I am Obi.
Oh my
Obi.
God.
You know what, fuck it, it's fine. Let's just get to the video. Today we're making banana bread in a cup because this nigga ruined my cup. No, fuck. Yeah, we're gonna make a banana bread in a cup and eat the banana bread. Thank you. My love. Okay, we're gonna take the nana
It's fine,
and then
watch.
we're peeling off the nana. I don't know why it's this big. It's almost big. And then I'm just gonna split it in half. Put out the half of the nana. Take just squash it for me and like make it like fine. Oh. Okay, next after a few hours of waiting, I already finally finished crushing the banana. Now it's time to fetch the eggs and milk. He left, he's angry, I don't care. I'm just gonna continue without him. So from there we just like take an egg, we crack it inside, and then we mix. And then you put the amount of sugar you think you like. So for me, I'm not even sure. This is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna put like 3 sugars or 4. I'm not sure. I think 2 is enough. And then like I don't even measure anymore. I just like feel, because I'm not even sure how to like do this thing. I'm just gonna like put like, because I'm lazy, to like measure. I think that's a good amount. I'm not sure if you can see, but there was like, oh shit.
To make things easy, I'm just gonna record from up here because Eroy is gone, so there's no need for 2. And then I just mix this shit up. I'm using one hand, so it's gonna be a bit hard. You mix it up, you mix it up, and then you take your... Oh, it's not open. Okay, again with the flour, I'm not gonna shake. I'm just gonna like feel. When I feel like it's enough, I'm gonna stop. Yeah, I feel like that's enough. Hopefully, I'm not even gonna add the milk. I'm just gonna like, cause this cup is way too full. I hope this shit doesn't get messed up in the microwave. Okay, in the microwave, and we wait.
Shit, I think I might have added a bit too much baking powder and it's looking like it's gonna explode. But I hope it doesn't.
It looks like from the thing. I don't know, maybe I just don't like banana bread, but it smells really bad to me, so I'm not gonna eat it. It smells like weird. It smells like banana, but like in a weird way. In a way I don't like. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah.
Okay, wait, I actually decided to give it a chance, and it's not that bad if you just like block the smell. So if you just, I don't know, maybe it's me, but if I just like eat it without using my nose, it tastes good. I'm not gonna lie, I would say like 5 out of 10. Maybe it's because it was made by me, but I don't like this. So yeah, thank you for watching.